Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to add text in Gimp software. For example, I will open image. I will open this image. Now, if you want to add text into this image, you can click this icon, text tool. Click and sort like this. Now, I will tap into example image. You can increase by clicking at this point, and for color you can select all text and change color in it. Like I will set into green. Okay, to be changed to green, or you can change like into blue. It's for blue. Click OK again to apply. You also can change for size, like at this point, like I will set into 100. The size will be 100, or you can reset by clicking at this option to be back into the normal form. You also can set for bold or italic. This is for underlines, or you can set a drag drop. Okay, you can uncheck like this. If you done, you can close by clicking at this move tools and move this text object into your area. Okay, that's it, how to add text in Gimp. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.